Greaves pushed out way wide there and left the door open. Nobody able to capitalize on the 3D chess level. Smart out of Kyle Greaves if that's what he's going for. He might have a move here on Eggleston anyways, though.
Kyle Greaves getting it done.
Yeah, his title defense off to a great start here in 2023 training.
It's go time here in Pro 2, round number 1. Cory Winner gonna try to get the jump on the field. Keegan Kincaid in line as well. Man, Lucas Oil back ride. Here we go. Oh man, what a move by Cory Winner. Now they make contact. Ricky G and Mickey Thomas.
Winner cut a tire or something's bent and rubbing on that tire. That's gonna be a problem in very short order on that left.
Jump by Chad Rayford.
Rayford going way to the high side, looking for some grip. And I mean way to the high side. He went all the way around those jumps.
Checkered flag in round number 2 in Pro-Spec.
There it is, Chad Rayford, his first Pro-Spec win. Comes in round 2 here at Antigo Lions Roaring Raceway. Great Ledbetter across the line. Like Zac Zakowski got a great jump at the drop of the green flag, and he's going to lead the field down into turn 1. Thomas got a little bit